So today I'll be demonstrating today's drawing prompt, which would be drawing hands. So drawing hands, I want to say, is just another feature that's I would consider one of the more expressive body parts that you can draw. Just like the face is very expressive, with hands you can show a lot of expression and emotion through your hands. We speak with our hands, whether it be this when we speak or just sign language. But here I just want to show you the basics of simple hand anatomy, and then from there you're able to branch off in doing hand poses. So for this exercise, I want you guys to get the feel of just drawing the shape of the hand itself, and then we can ink it afterwards. But if you can, just do multiple sets of rough sketching of your hands for this drawing prompt. So I'm going to start off with a simple palm and fingers and just the overall shape. You want to start off with the hand is like kind of like a box, but more like rectangular. In here you would have 1, 2, 3, the 4 digits, and then you have the 5th digit here, the thumb. But that thumb muscle here is going to take up that lower half, and then you have the other side of the palm here, and then you have the pads right above here. This would be the thumb, index, middle, don't know what this finger is called, and then the pinky. And then as you can see, the index is going to be smaller than the middle, and then the third finger is going to be shorter than the middle, and then lastly you have your pinky, which is shorter than pretty much all of them, if you see that. I mean, that's how the human hand goes unless you're from another planet, but yeah. So each finger is divided into 3 where you can bend. So I want to say here and here falls for the joints, and then the tip of the index, that middle part there, and then the bottom half. I want you to see them again as shapes. So these would be like cylinder in shape, and the same goes for the middle finger. Cylinder, cylinder, cylinder. And then you want to do the same for that third finger there. Cylinder, cylinder, and cylinder. Yes?
What are you doing?
I'm doing a demonstration for my class, and you're interrupting me. That's fine. I'm teaching the class how to draw hands.
Oh, I like it.
Do you understand what I did here?
The palm thing?
Exactly.
Like the lines of your finger?
And you break it down into shapes.
Dave, I was wondering what that thing was for.
Yeah, so I can do my broadcast. And then you have just one here separating the two. So one line separating 2 cylinders. So that line goes there.
That's
And
so
then you have
cool.
cylinder, but this one's going to be a bit bigger.
Okay.
And then you have a cylinder here.
Dave,
And then that connects.
I'll be right back. I have a picture that I wanted to show you.
All right. Ball joint, and then this ball joint is going to connect this thumb to this whole shape here. And then if you want to add the lifelines, most of us have like an M here. Okay. And then this would be the wrist. That just signifies, I guess, the two. I don't think there's two ball. Yeah, right here. These two bone pieces here, underneath here. If you must, just look at your own hand as your model. Study your own hand and just feel all the bones. Feel it and then transfer it onto your paper. At least that's my method, but whatever works best for you. I learned how to draw hands by looking at my own. Hands weren't always my strong suit. I used to avoid drawing hands a lot. But of course, that's not the way that you learn how to do things. You want to, the things that you aren't great at are the things that you need to be practicing the most on. Over time, I just learned how to deal with my phobia of drawing hands, and it just became one of the features that I fell in love with drawing. I'm still not perfect with it, but I can say that I do enjoy drawing hands now. Okay. So from here,
Well, Dave, I didn't know you knew how to draw that good. But it's so cool.
yeah, now I'm looking for my inking.
What's the inking?
I can't find my ink pen, so I'm gonna use the Sharpie just to ink it in.
Does your class actually draw that?
Yeah, they draw very well.
They do.
Mm-hmm.
When you're done inking with your pencil, I'm going to show you the picture. It's very cool.
What's it a picture of?
It's a spider.
You drew it?
Mm-hmm. It's on a whiteboard, so I probably didn't do that good. But I do like drawing like you, Dave.
All right.
Does it smell weird to you?
Like what?
I don't know, like those things that Nana has up. Like those things that make the house smell a little bit weird.
Incense?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's incense burning somewhere.
Probably at Nana's. Dude, that drawing is so cool.
Thank you. And then you just add the detail if you want here.
Dave,
What?
you have a lot of books. I've never seen this before.
And there's your hand.